Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making chocolate cupcakes, and here are the ingredients you are going to need. You will need half a cup of butter, 1 1/4 cup sugar, 2 eggs, half a cup of cocoa powder, 1 cup water, 1 cup plus 6 tablespoons of flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, and a half a teaspoon salt. Okay, the first thing I do is I preheat my oven to 350 degrees. And we also need to heat our water, so I'm going to heat that up for 1 minute. Once our water is heated, I'm going to add the cocoa powder to the water so that we can make a cocoa water mixture. And then I'm just going to give it a nice stir until all of my cocoa powder is dissolved into the water. Now I'm going to fit a paddle attachment to my KitchenAid. I'm going to add butter, and I'm going to add the sugar to the bowl, and we are going to cream these together until they resemble fluffy mashed potatoes. Once your product is starting to resemble fluffy mashed potatoes, you are going to want to give it a nice scrape down, and this is just going to make sure that everything is getting mixed completely. Now we're going to add eggs. We're going to add them one at a time. I'm going to scrape down the bowl once more. Scraping down your bowl is very important, just to make sure that everything is getting mixed completely and properly. I'm going to add the baking soda, baking powder, and salt to my flour mixture. I'm just going to give it a little stir, and then I'm going to add all of the flour mixture to the mixer. Once all the flour is added to the bowl, I am then going to add our water cocoa mixture. I'm going to give the mixture one last scrape down just to make sure that everything that's stuck to the paddle and to the bottom of the bowl is completely getting mixed in. Once the mixture is finished, you just want to give your paddle a nice little scrape down. And I'm going to give the mixture one last fold before I fill the cupcake liners. This is the scoop I'm going to be using. I'm not exactly sure what size it is, but it's the perfect amount for one cupcake. Once all of our cupcakes are filled, we are going to add them to the oven, and we are going to bake them at 350 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. You know your cupcakes are finished once you insert a toothpick and it comes out clean. Here is our finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. The recipe will be in the description bar below. Don't forget to subscribe.